Seren Cymru ar Byd by Derek Davis, read by Meryl Anderson. It is written in stone, Seren Cymru ar Byd, memorial to a legend, one so graced to succeed. That stone tells that very story, how his world there was won, treasured in the vaults of time now forever, poor Talbot's first son. Born of humble beginnings, Richard Jenkins his name, with a voice so eloquently commanding of one so destined for fame. The spirit of Burton roams this here fair land, where the ghosts of 1,000 Welsh choirs make this their last stand. An acting sensation, first prince of South Wales, from Pontrhyd a Fen, Carmarthen and down through the valleys, we shall speak of these tales. Richard Burton, our proud Welsh legend, that name speaks of fine wine. Seren Cymru ar Byd, shines that star for all time.